wanted to do a quick walk around on this 72 killer El Camino. I know some guys have been waiting for a video, and unfortunately I'm rolling out of town, so big block, flame orange. And just gorgeous. Look how nice the bed is. Killer little hot rod right there. I took all the photos, try to get it done as soon as I get back, but tach works, Holley EFI. Have a great day, guys.